Look, there's a baby goose. 2 of them. And there's the mom and dad. I'm not here to mess with you guys. You're fine. There's about 4 or 5 more over there. Bunch of little babies. You guys better be careful back in here. There are things that want to eat you. That want to eat you. Don't worry. Well, I think where I want to kind of start will be here, and I'll work my way back in that way, in and around this little, I guess it's a partial beaver dam. We got one. Oh, we lost it. I can't make the cast to get back in there because of the wind. Oh, such a poor cast. Thanks to this wind that's blowing right into my face. If I go sit on the other side, I'd probably have a better opportunity. Oh yeah. Got ourselves a rainbow. Oh yeah. Perfect hook right in the top of the mouth there. Easy. Let me get it around here to where I can get this hook out of its mouth. Well, it just wants to flip-flop and fight me because it's one of those small, feisty little trout. What'd you do with my hook now? You, sir, need to calm down. Got the hook. Looks like about a 10-inch rainbow. Nothing very impressive. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hand and we'll get it out of the net here. Well, I want to get it out of the net, but apparently it don't want to. Nice little 11 or 12-inch rainbow. All right. Well, apparently I can catch something today. Now I just need to put another piece of bait back on, and we'll be back to fishing. Word of advice to anyone that uses a 10-car rod or keiryu rod: please do not lay it in the dirt. I have scratched one of my rods from I don't know what. I'm pretty sure I washed it off and everything before putting it away, and somehow I managed to get a nice scrape right down the bottom 2 sections on it, and it looks like it's not going to be that great anymore, but I think it'll work. It's kind of like me just plopping these 2 tiny chunks of a giant night crawler on here, and we'll just flip it right back in there. Got it. Oh yeah. That's a nice one right there. Oh boy. Ah, falling in the water. Look at the nice little common carp right there. Sweet little guy. I'm gonna have to get the hook out of its mouth. Wasn't sure if it was hitting or what, so I let it take it just a little too long, but I still got it in an area that's not detrimental to this fish, which is just the roof of its mouth. Hook came out nice and easy because it was tiny. Okay, but now that we've got common carp Charlie, look at that puppy. That's a nice common carp right there. Oh! Some people call those a bonefish, and that just means that you're calling it a game fish, but it's not a game fish. Oh, we got another one. Oh, what do we catch here? Oh, we got a baby sucker. Oh yeah. Right in the kisser. Right in the kisser. I thought I saw it moving. It's a nice little baby sucker right there. Get on back in there and don't let the turtles eat you. Oh yeah. Instant. All you gotta do is put a weight on, huh? What do we got here? Another sucker. Nice. Still got some worm left on there for bait. We better slide it back down on the hook if we want to expect success. Get it down around like about like that. Got one. In the net. Huh, not as small as I thought it was. And it's got everything tangled up in my net. Apparently the hook came out of its mouth the other direction here. However, we gave it a piercing apparently. I'm gonna have to cut that line off and retie just to get that hook out of there without hurting it, because that's a nice little sucker right there. Nice. All the red blood on it from somewhere. I kind of wonder if it was just getting beat up while it's trying to eat the worm. It's just getting eaten by the turtles. That's very strange. Osprey flying overhead, trying to cut into the wind that I gotta walk into in just a minute. Well, there's the rainstorm. If everybody can see that, it's real dark and nasty looking. It'll do good. Pretty soon this little creek here will start raging, because where that water's dumping right now is into this drainage right here, but quite a few miles away from me. So hopefully I'll get back across this little section here before that rain starts making that water rage. Well, in case I don't get to say it, because the rain coming, I could feel the cool air already was starting to blow. Thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. It's been a pretty okay day for me. I worked the whole day. Finally got a little bit of time to come down to the river and do a little bit of fishing. And I just want to kind of relax back here in a small little creek. Don't need my waders or nothing like that. Just just need to hang out and relax is all. Enjoy Mother Nature at her finest. Well, thank you guys for watching again.